Hawker 850XPI. Questions. Powerplant. Engine name and manufacturer.
Tango Foxtrot Echo 731. 5 Bravo Romeo. 1 Hotel. Garrett. Turbofan engines. Honeywell.
How many duplex fuel nozzles in the combustion chamber?
12.
How many igniters?
2.
Sparks voltage at igniters.
18,000 up to 24,000 per second.
Which turbine is related to N2 indication?
High pressure turbine.
What is DEEC?
Digital electronic engine control.
Which turbine is related to the N1 indication?
Low pressure turbine.
Location of starter generator, alternator and hydraulic pump.
On the forward face of the gearbox.
ITT meaning.
Interstage turbine temperature.
100% RPM of N1.
21,000 RPM, fan speed.
100% RPM of N2.
30,300 RPM, turbine speed.
5-second limit of N2.
103% N2.
What is the ITT sensor made of? And how many?
10 sensors. Chromo-aluminum thermocouples. Between high-pressure turbine and the first stage of the low-pressure turbine.
ITT maximum cruise.
932 degrees Celsius.
N1 and N2 maximum indication during takeoff with APR.
N1 100% and N2 108%.
ITT during startup.
978 degrees Celsius unrestricted. 996 degrees Celsius 10 seconds. Over 996 degrees Celsius 5 seconds.
ITT per 5 minutes with APR during takeoff.
996 degrees Celsius.
ITT maximum continuous unrestricted.
968 degrees Celsius.
APR meaning.
Automatic performance reserve.
Location and capacity of engine oil reservoir.
Engine right hand. Total, 11, 3 liters. Tank capacity, 6, 3 liters.
How many oil pumps?
1 pressure pump. For scavenge pumps.
Oil normal pressure.
40 to 45 psi.
How to know the oil filter is clogging.
Differential pressure of 25 psi. Red indicator pin pops out.
How is the fuel heating done?
By the heater on the left hand. An anti-icing valve is responsible for that. It uses the oil heat to warm the fuel.
When is the heater bypassed?
When there are contamination or frozen oil. The bypass valve opens at 40 psi.
At which fuel temperature the anti-ice valve temperature sensor send part of the fuel to heater?
Between 0 degrees Celsius and 10 degrees Celsius.
Engine fuel light.
The malfunction indicates either fuel filter blocked or fuel overheat. Fuel temperature approximately at 88 degrees Celsius. The fuel filter begins to clogging.
Air oil cooler.
4, 5 and 6 bearings. Transfer gearbox. Accessory gearbox.
Fuel oil cooler.
1, 2 and 3 bearings. Planetary gear assembly.
Oil pressure maximum transient.
55 psi per 3 minutes.
Maximum oil temperature up to 30,000 feet.
127 degrees Celsius.
Maximum oil temperature above 30,000 feet.
140 degrees Celsius.
Minimum temperature during start.
Minus 40 degrees Celsius.
Electric boost pump pressure. Engine-driven pump pressure.
Electric boost pump, low pressure. Engine-driven pump, high pressure.
Which datas does the DEC depend on?
Throttle lever position. Ambient temperature. Engine operating data.
Which component controls the FCU in case of a DEC failure?
Throttle lever movement.
Talk more about the engine fuel light.
Fuel filter clogging. Switch closes to illuminate the light with the difference from 6 to 8 psid.
Fuel anti-icing purpose.
TO keep the fuel temperature above 30 degrees Fahrenheit, avoiding ice crystals that could lead to clog the filter.
Fuel pressure at FCU.
With 1,500 psi.
FCU automatic mode functioning.
As an overspeed governor to prevent the engine from exceeding its operating limitations.
Location of the 2 DEC.
Rear equipment bay.
Another name to DEC.
Engine fuel computers.
Engine computer light.
Switch and off. Switch and overspeed protection. DEC fails. This is the end of questions. Powerplant.